Our KKR Scholars Program is an early ID initiative that we started in 2023 as an opportunity to introduce the alternative investments industry to first-year undergraduate students.
From the first moment that I stepped into the building, I instantly felt welcomed, and obviously it's an incredible space, incredible office. And then even deeper than that, I'd say that the interactions that I've been able to have with KKR analysts, associates, and even people with higher positions have truly been incredible. We've had talks with even the CEO, we've had talks with directors, partners, and one thing that I found incredibly indicative of KKR's culture is that whenever they come in, no matter what position they are, how senior they are, one of the first things they did was thank us. They thanked us for being there, for spending our time there with them. And so I thought that that was, really just a manifestation of the culture more broadly.
Everyone is so driven and incredible, as well as everyone at KKR. I loved hearing everyone's backgrounds and getting some really inspirational speakers through the program, as well as getting to do some of the case studies and getting to put some of what we learned to work. So it was a very much hands-on program that I think I learned a lot from, and I think I'll take away even more in the intangible sense.
Our main priority with our KKR Scholars Program is to ensure that we are demystifying what alternative investments is. Obviously under the umbrella of introducing KKR as a firm and as a career opportunity to these scholars. And so our main objective really is to really kind of break the doors open on the vast opportunities we have here within alternative investments. We're not just private equity, right? We are infrastructure, we are global client solutions, we are insurance. And so really, providing students with a greater, dare I say, menu of opportunities that they can pursue that are more complementary to maybe their own skill set.
When you are in college and you are a freshman or a rising sophomore, it is very easy to get pushed into one certain pathway within business, outside of business, within finance, whatever it is, and kind of stick with it because it's all you know and it's all you've been exposed to. And at KKR, and especially in the Scholars Program, we've learned about so many different teams and verticals, industries. Everything that KKR covers is way more than I ever imagined. I would say one of the best things about that I've realized, and almost like a light bulb moment throughout this program, has been me realizing that there's so many options out there and that it's extremely important to explore those options. And I don't think I would have almost had those questions going into my professional career if it wasn't for KKR and the Scholars Program.
It's really just an opportunity for you to absorb, to sit in, quite frankly, a little bit of an asset management 101 lecture for 4 days. What a gift that is, right? To ensure that you're kind of best prepared on everything we offer within the industry, let alone at KKR.